First time buyers, investors, welcome to Low Early. Are you looking for a freehold property that you can put your own stamp on? Well, this one behind me has lots to offer still. We're going to share 5 things that we love about it today. Let's head in and we'll take a look at number 1. Given the weather that we've had, the first thing that you'll love is the fact that there is gas central heating. Got a Worcester Bosch boiler and these rads keeping you warm over the winter. Number 2, in some of these properties you have just a wall here with a window, but in this one you've got double doors opening out on to your southeast facing garden. And number 3 is the garden itself. Fantastic size, you've got access via a gate behind the camera. It's southeast facing like I mentioned, so really nice morning sunshine to enjoy with your coffee. And number 4 are the 2 off-road parking spaces. It's 5 minutes walk, you arrive here as the Superstore. You've got a Costa coffee just over the way as well. Friday night, Domino's pizza's there too, and M&S food hall. And if you're looking for some green space, you've got Chalfont just around the corner. So a modest sized kitchen in these 1 beds. This one could do with a refit, but there is an opportunity to open it up by removing this wall here to really create a nice open plan kitchen dining space. And then through to the one and only bedroom. Here you've got wardrobe space, cupboard, and loft access for extra storage. So if you love it, drop us a DM. We can't wait to meet you here at Sharpthorpe Close. Take care.